bro. Holy shit. Metallica. My first Metallica song, I think. I'm looking kind of scared. This song is 8 fucking hours long. Yeah, damn. Oh. There are lyrics. I'm scared. I have no idea what I'm about to get myself into. I know they're metal. Yeah, that's all I know. I'm excited. Let's dive on in. You know that's whoa. What? Oh my. Ah! Okay. Bro, that guitar loop, or not loop, but that guitar sounds fucking sick. Bro jumped into real heavy metal. It's just, bro, all it is a fucking electric guitar so far. Ah! His voice is fucking nice. That part is fucking sick. Bro, holy shit, that's like a fucking what? That's like a climax, like a fucking master. Like that part is fucking hard. How is that so hard? I just love it. Like it's literally art, bro. The way you can manipulate music like that, it's fucking ridiculous. I love it so fucking much, bro. Like rock and metal and stuff like this, when it's done well, is like it's like on another level, bro. He's my god! This is fucking... Bro!
Promised only lies, laughter, laughter. All I hear or see is laughter, laughter, laughter. Laughing at my cries.
Bro, I feel bad for pausing. This is fucking amazing, bro. This is so good. This is so fucking good. It feels like an experience. I love it when a song makes me feel like that, bro. Where I just want to close my eye. Like it literally feels like it's taking me on a journey. You know how hard that is to do? It's so rare for a song to do that. Never pause the solo ever? Was that a solo? I heard a guitar and drums. That's not a solo, is it? If there's a guy on the drums and you're playing guitar over it, that's not a solo, right? I love the way the drums are like going up. It's like and then he did it like 3 times. That's fucking hard. I'm not gonna lie, this is so fucking good, but I could see, bro, why back in the 70s your moms would probably be freaking the out. Wait, this isn't the 70s. Hold on, let me not disrespect Metallica like that. What year is this? The 80s. Same shit. I can see why your parents in the 80s were probably taking this goddamn CD out of your room, bro. They don't want you listening to this.
Master, master,
oh my god, bro. Bro. Holy. Like that literally sounds like f***ing Satan's minions screaming in hell, bro. Like my son's listening to that shit. Chat, what? That might be my Ooh, my second favorite. What is the other metal song that I heard, Chad? It's Pantera Cemetery Gates is probably my favorite metal song that I've heard, and that's probably second.